Golden leaves fall, the air is sweet. My heart skips a beat on every street. A little rain, a little gray, but you make all the clouds fade away. I grab my coat, I grab my smile, I'll run to you, it's worth a mile. Every step my heart beats fast, I'll make this autumn moment last. Love is catching raindrops in your hands, dancing freely, letting go of plans. Even if the wind chills to my bones, with you I'm never alone. Umbrella swings, laughter in the air, your voice cuts through the autumn glare. Puddles splash, our footprints show how love can bloom even in the cold. Even when the world feels dark and slow, your spark makes my whole soul glow. Tiny raindrops, little sparks of light. With you the gray turns bright. Love is catching raindrops in your hands, dancing freely, letting go of plans. Even if the wind chills to my bones, with you I'm never alone. Rainy skies can't hide your face, your warmth turns every drop to grace. If today feels hard, tomorrow will shine. I'm yours and you are mine. Love is catching raindrops in your hands, dancing freely, letting go of plans. Even if the wind chills to my bones, with you I'm never autumn in our eyes, raindrop kisses and endless skies. Every storm that comes every day, love keeps the clouds